Here's how you can make the red cabbage pH indicator at home. You're going to need a red cabbage, some boiling hot water, a container to steep the cabbage in, or you could just boil the cabbage. You'll need at least 3 clear cups or jars, 1 for testing an acid, 1 for testing a base, and, as in any good experiment, you'll need 1 for the control, so we can have something to compare the others against. For your acid, make sure you have a lemon, a lime, or vinegar. And for your base, I recommend baking soda. For this demonstration, I'll also use milk as a weak acid, and lye as a strong base. For my boiling hot water, I used a tea kettle. Place the chopped cabbage into a large container, and pour the hot water on top, and allow the cabbage to steep until it's come to room temperature. Then get your acids and bases ready, and pour the red cabbage tea into your clear containers, and mix your acids and bases with the indicator one at a time and watch the transformation. Can you tell the pH of each solution based on its color? I'll also use a digital pH sensor to verify the pH of each solution. What do you think will happen to the color if we mix the indicator with an acid and the indicator with a base? Did the color change like you expected? Have fun experimenting with this color-changing molecule. Show your friends, and try using it to test the waters around your house. If you try the water from a stream, what color does the indicator turn? And what about when you try it from the ocean?
The sun is in the sky, there's nothing but love. Hiki mai kala.